name is Anthony Ngao. I'm from Kenyatta University. The experience here was awesome. As you can see, this is Oloolua Nature Trail, a perfect place that you can visit. You should be here.
Hi, my name is Kevin from Rongo University. It has been an awesome experience. You can see the food I'm eating. It's all about traveling and meeting new friends and people.
Hello guys, we are at Oloolua Forest Nature Trail. This place we are having a very nice time, enjoying ourselves to the fullest. You guys should join us, you should be here. Woo!
Hi guys, it's fun here. It's fun. You should be here. It's amazing.
Hamujambo. Nimekula lakini nimeshipa. Alafu hata unaona pato nakula hapa nakula ukali na viazi. Imekuwa enjoyable. Next time ukuche ukule. We, usinimalizie hiyo machi. Sunday. Nakucha.
Hi, I'm Lavender. Adhiambo from Rongo University. Experience ya Oloolua imekuwa poa sana. I just enjoyed it.
Hi, I'm Shali Dama. We are at the Oloolua Park. It's been amazing so far. We've had fun. You people should just come. Bye.
Haro. Imekuwa tu poa, si unajuaga.